Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on algorithm previous year question solving series. In this video, we will be discussing this GATE 2011 and this question is also related to asymptotic notation. So here, in this question it is given that which of the following options provides the increasing order of asymptotic complexities of the function. So it is saying that we have to compare these four functions and we have to find out the increasing order of their asymptotic complexity. Okay, so let's write out what are the functions given. So f of 1 n is given that 2 power n, and 2 is given that n power 3 by 2. Third one is n log n base 2, and fourth one is n power log n base 2. So by seeing that I can get the idea that 2 power n will be greater than all these three, because 2 power n is the exponential term. So f of 1 should be at the last, right? Because 2 power n and all these functions are not okay. So 2 power n should be greater by my guess, but now I have to conclude it by proving that, right? Now first, what can I do? I can compare these two, n power 3 by 2 and n into log n base 2. So n power 3 by 2 can be written as n power 1 plus 1 by 2, and this is n log n base 2. So this can be written as n into root n, because n power half is root n. So here n and log n. So n is common, so it can get cancelled out. So I will be lefting with root n and log n. Now I can apply logarithm on both sides and I can get half log n, because n power half and log n, if you applied with root n, then that half exponent term will get multiplied with the log n and we will be getting half log n, and here we will be getting log n. Okay, so log n is smaller than log n. That means, so 3 power n by 2 is greater than n into log n base 2. So f2 of n is greater than f3 of n. Okay, so let's find out some options and eliminate some of the options. Here it is saying that f3 of n is smaller than f2 of n, so it is true, option B. It is saying that f2 of n is smaller than f3 of n, so option D we can cancel out, and it is also saying that f2 is smaller than f3, so C option get cancelled out. So we are left off with A and B. Now we have to decide between A and B, and simply if we will be comparing this just 1 and 4, then we can get the idea which one is correct, because here it is saying that f4 is greater, here it is saying that f1 is greater. So while you are approaching any of those questions, try to look at these options. From options only you can get many ideas how to solve this question, right? And um, you can like save most of your times by looking at the options. We don't need to compare these f2 and f4, so everything we don't need to compare, because if you will be comparing all these things, then what will be the number of time you will be comparing? The total number of comparison will be 6, right? Because 4 are there, and at a time if we will be selecting 2, then we will be getting 6, right? But there is no need to compare the function 6 times. We can just get the answer by just comparing 2 times. One time we are comparing 2 and 3, then another time if we will be comparing 1 and 4, then we can get the idea. So let's compare 1 and 4. So 1 is given that 2 power n, and 4 is given that n log n base 2, right? Again, I have no idea which one is greater and which one is smaller. I'll be blindly apply the logarithm here. So by applying logarithm, I will be getting here n into log 2. The base is 2 here, and here also I will be getting log n into log n. So this will get converted to 1 because base is 2. So I will be getting n here, and this is log n into log n. Again, I can take one example, a bigger value, I can get the idea. So same value I am taking, n value is 2 power 1000. So here I will be getting 2 power 1000, but here I will be getting 10 power 6, because log 2 power 1000 base 2 is 1000, and log 2 power 1000 base 2 is 1000. So again, by multiplying these two, I am getting 10 power 6. That means this is very much bigger than the 10 power 6. So which one I have taken here? 2 power n thing. So 2 power n is f of 1 is greater than f of 4. From these two only I can get the idea. So the option will be option C. Okay, sorry, C is not correct and D is not correct, so I have two options left, one A and B, but A is saying that 1 is greater than 4. Is 1 is greater than 4 or 4 is greater than 1? 1 is greater than 4, so option A will be the correct answer. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.